Hi, this is Mr. Tipton, and today we are talking about scale. It's one more thing that you can use proportions to do. Scale is a ratio that compares measurements of drawings or models to the measurements of something in real life. Scale figures are all around us, in model cars, souvenirs, action figures. Scale drawings are everywhere also. Anytime we look at a map, or blueprints of a building, or even pictures, are all created using scale. They are proportional reductions and sometimes enlargements of actual things. Now, using scale is real easy. Here's an example. We've got a problem. A map has a scale of 1 inch is equal to 30 miles. If two cities are 3.5 inches apart, what is the actual distance between them? Here's what I recommend. When you're setting up your proportion, anytime you have a scale, put it over on the right side. You don't have to. It could go on the left, but this is just the habit I'm in. I always keep the scale on the right side of the proportion. And because we know we have to keep our same units, our same labels together horizontally and vertically, you can go ahead and line those up on the other side, and then just match up what you know from the problem. It says if two cities are 3.5 inches apart, well, here's my inches, so that's where that goes, 3.5 inches apart. What is the actual distance between them? We want to know actually how many miles apart are they. So 1 inch for 30 miles, 3.5 inches for how many miles? Set the cross products equal. We'll get x times 1 is equal to 30 times 3.5, which gives us x is equal to 105. So, real world problem. And my pen's going to be funny again. The actual distance. The actual distance is 105 miles. Let's look at another one involving a map. We're going to use the same scale. 1 inch is 30 miles. 1 inch is 30 miles. If two towns are 185 miles apart, how far apart are they on the map? So this one's different in that we know their actual distance apart, and we want to find their map distance. 185 miles is going to be how far on the map? 30 times x is equal to 185 times 1. 30x is equal to 185. Divide both sides by 30. And let's see, 185 divided by 30 is 6.16 repeating. So, you can round that to, excuse me, 6.17. Or if you want to do the fraction, you could say 6 1/6. But we need a sentence answer. The map distance is, we can say about, since we're rounding, is about 6.17 inches. Okay, so the way that you figure things using scale is the same way we've been solving proportions the whole unit. Just make sure that you put your scale either on the left side or the right side. As long as you keep it together, it should be okay. We will do some more practice of things besides maps in class. If you have any questions about how to use the scale part, write them down. Come ready, and we'll see you soon.